Aave basically is a mid-position digital money at present evaluated at $103.14 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $1,512,382,708 in an unpretentious manner. Over the truly past by and large couple of years, digital forms of money, including Aave, laid out an extremely impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and are presently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, which is genuinely huge. A few institutional financial backers even really consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against a taking-off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in a significant way. Retail financial backers and merchants are truly keen on digital currencies by and large, for example, Aave, since this truly is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources truly have the in every practical sense potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a somewhat brief timeframe, which by and large is genuinely huge. These profits generally are somewhat impossible in different business sectors, which certainly is the motivation behind why most exceptionally moderate financial backers certainly are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with cryptographic forms of money like Aave. While the groundbreaking ones basically give a critical part of their kind of funding to this quickly creating resource class as opposed to mainstream thinking. At this exceptionally specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Aave to the level at $103.14, where it as of now especially sits in a truly significant manner. As currently referenced, Aave especially is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it by and by possesses the 40th spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the exceptionally metric that not entirely set in stone, by duplicating the sort of current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in a genuinely enormous manner. On account of Aave, the market capitalization most certainly remains at $1,512,382,708. The significance of this boundary will especially be somewhat made sense of later, which essentially is genuinely critical. Our cost forecast calculation for the most part is planned so that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the advanced resource being referred to truly give our supporters the most dependable data on the exceptionally present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to enough truly evaluate the condition of their portfolio and especially choose whether or not it essentially has to be reconfigured, which by and large is very critical. Our calculation additionally really focuses on authentic information, which for the most part is truly irreplaceable for the fundamentally right assessment of both truly current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its in every practical sense. Present and future bearing, or so they thought. Beneath you will explicitly find pretty key portions of this verifiable information, so you also could sort of have a comprehension of where the Aave market truly is going in a huge manner. Yesterday, on December 2nd, Aave fundamentally was esteemed at $100.21 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Essentially recollect that cryptographic forms of money truly are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., which generally is very critical. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period basically added up to 0.18% in a huge manner. 7 days prior, on November 26, Aave by and large was exchanged at $99.50 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its in every practical sense present position, which for the most part is very huge. On November 3, which generally was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Aave at $91.95, the cost level that basically is at the distance of 12.18% from where it presently for the most part stands. The cost of Aave and the readings of CVIX basically are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, or so they really thought. Market capitalization is another significant metric that assists dealers with deciding the prominence of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, which is genuinely huge. It's likewise used to sort of survey the offer that Aave for the most part holds inside the genuinely whole digital currency market, or so they essentially thought. The equation for the computation of market capitalization sort of is fairly basic. The flowing stock of the money being referred to by and large is increased by its truly current cost in opposition to mainstream thinking. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Aave in every practical sense remains at $1,512,382,708, enough to name it the 40th in a real sense the biggest coin on the digital money market, truly further appearance how at this sort of specific intersection, The endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Aave to the level at $103.14 where it at present sits. Which is very huge. Yesterday, on December 2nd, the market capitalization of Aave remained at $1,469,359,599, exhibiting that yesterday, on December 2nd, the market capitalization of Aave most certainly remained at $1,469,359,599 in a kind of large manner. 7 days prior, on November 26, the capitalization of Aave essentially was $1,456,911,540, so underneath you will find really key portions of this verifiable information, so you also could sort of have a comprehension of where the Aave market truly is going in a significant manner. A month prior, on November 3, how much certainly capital streaming around this genuinely specific market truly added up to $1,344,963,026, or so they thought. Most cryptographic money financial backers basically stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a specific digital currency and its capacity to generally endure disturbances, which sort of are the sort of normal event on this exceptionally unstable market, which really shows that on account of Aave. The market capitalization generally remains at $1,512,382,708. The significance of this boundary will truly be made sense of later, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The exceptionally greatest stock of Aave truly is 16,000,000 of. The truly all-out supply of Aave right now in every practical sense remains at 16,000,000 coins, showing how 7 days prior, on November 26, the capitalization of Aave sort of was $1,456,911,540, so beneath you will for the most part find in every way that really matters key selections of this verifiable information, so you also could truly have a comprehension of where the Aave market especially is going in a significant manner. The circling supply of the digital currency under audit in a real sense is 14,663,051 of, in spite of mainstream thinking. This Aave cost forecast wouldn't especially be somewhat finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the truly metric utilized by essentially all cryptographic money brokers to fundamentally affirm the strength of the pattern and the practicality of a market move, or so they really thought. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain in every practical sense is happening on the rear of the especially low exchanging volume, there generally is an extremely high likelihood that this move truly is impractical and would basically bring about a bullish snare, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Consequently, it means quite a bit to sort of break down the genuinely past and the especially current exchanging volume of Aave request to by and large comprehend whether this market has a hidden strength, which essentially is genuinely huge. Over the in every practical sense, recent hours, the exchanging volume on the Aave market especially was enlisted at $101.130 win 678, which is